Happy Tuesday morning, Byron. If you're anything like me, you spend a lot of time on the computer each day. And some of it's productive, and some of it is not. And it's hard to know which is which. And even if you know which is which, sometimes it's hard to control it. So, there's a few awesome programs that we're going to take a look at that can help us out with our computer productivity. The first is called Time Snapper. If you Google it, you're going to come to a page. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see something called Time Snapper Classic. You can download this. I believe it is only for Windows, so sorry Mac users. But once you download this program, there's something running in the background on your computer that will capture everything that you're doing at all times. It'll take a quick snapshot every 10 seconds, for example. And at first it might seem a little bit creepy to have something watching everything you do on the computer, but what you'll realize is it gives you a chance to look back on what you've been doing. So you can go ahead and play through your time using the computer. Here you can see, okay, I'm working on a Word document, whatever it might be. Fast forward a little bit and see how that time is being spent. If you go to an earlier day, you can go through and say, oh boy, I'm on Facebook. Okay, look, I'm on YouTube. Now I'm on Skype. Now I'm on Skype learning about some video game that someone had made and then trying to read about that. Oh, now I'm starting to get some work done. Okay, back to Gmail. Back to getting some work done. And what you do is it gives you a chance to just play through your night working and see how productive you actually were. How much of that time that you spent writing your essay did you actually spend writing your essay? And you can quickly estimate that by just playing through your night. The second program we're going to look at is called Chrome Nanny, and it's an extension for the Chrome browser. So you can Google that and then just simply add it to Chrome. And once you do that, it's going to continually run in the background. You can go up to your settings here, and in your options you can choose which sites you want to enable or disable and for what amount of time. Here, for example, I can set up the blocked website for Facebook. Type in my address, facebook.com, a time range to work in, a number of minutes per day that I allow myself, and then I can go ahead and save it. And so you can see there's a lot of advanced settings I could choose, or I can go with something a little bit more simple. So now when I go ahead and try to use Facebook on Chrome, it gives me this little warning. It says, shouldn't you be working? And tells me that Facebook was blocked. And I could still go back into my settings and change that, but if I want to change something that's blocked, it makes me type in a big long word or something like that, so that it's not something I can just easily change. So once you set this up, if something's currently being blocked, it takes a little bit of effort to get around it. And the whole benefit to this is sometimes it's just that quick impulse that you need to stop yourself from, that, oh, I have to check something real quick. Oh, it's blocked. I don't want to deal with that right now, so I'll get my work done. And so sometimes setting up some simple parameters like that can help you. So in review, the main websites that you should be checking out would be looking for Time Snapper, which will record what you're doing in the background and let you analyze how you spend your time. And then Chrome Nanny, if you use Chrome, will allow you to block certain websites, or it also has some features to track certain websites. There's a similar program if you're a Firefox user called Leech Block. So you can search for that if you prefer Firefox over Chrome. So good luck getting your productivity back.